Hello guys, I saw on YouTube a video of a Honda CRV 2010 that makes a rattling noise in the morning first thing when you start it. So I'm gonna try that fix that I saw, the workaround I should say, that I saw on YouTube yesterday, and I'm gonna record it. So they say to put the key in the ignition and turn it 2 times and leave it for a few seconds, and then pull the key out, I guess. This way it gives like an oil flow to the timing chain. So I'm gonna pull the key now, and I'm gonna try that again. Then I'm gonna try to turn it over, see if the vehicle is gonna start without that noise. You will be able to hear it. So I'm gonna try again, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. They say that when you put the key into the second turn, it gives the vehicle, it gives the engine oil flow. This way you won't make that rattling noise, the grinding noise that you all are aware of in the timing chain. So I'm going to pull the key again, and I'm going to try it now to start it, see if we're going to hear that noise. Yeah, the noise, I didn't hear the noise, so I guess doing this in the morning, first thing in the morning, like putting the key in the ignition and turn it over for 2 times, and then it sit for a few seconds, doing it twice, I guess it works, and it doesn't make that grinding, rattling noise. So this workaround, it works for real.